Welcome everyone. Lecture 4. In the previous lecture, मैंने आपके साथ I discussed a very simple selection problem जिसको हमने दो algorithms के साथ solve किया था. It was a fairly simple problem और हमने उसको solve किया. अब moving on, हमारा मकसद basically ये है कि हम without programming, without implementation in any programming language, हम एक program का running time estimate करें. ठीक है. This is the responsibility of a very good mathematician जिसके पास maths के basic laws हों और उसको computer science related mathematics की fundamental understanding हो ताकि उनको उन concepts को वो use करके तो algorithms का running time analysis कर सके. So in this video, in this particular lecture, I'll be discussing the key mathematics concepts related to this course. So, number one, as you can see, exponents. What are exponents? Exponents. Pehla rule. X raised to the power a multiplied by x raised to the power b. X raised to the power a multiplied by is equal to xa plus b. Every one of you knows that this is a very basic rule of simple exponents. This is a fundamental law of exponents. Similarly, this is also fairly simple. Just have a look at it. This is also very simple. Now, these two. I have seen a number of students, math students, making this particular mistake. Please don't make this mistake. X raised to the power a plus x raised to the power a is not equal to x raised to the power 2a. Sorry, it is not equal. It is not equal. Let's be very explicit. It is not equal. X raised to the power a plus x raised to the power a, it's equal to 2x raised to the power a. Get it? Okay. Similarly, please note this rule as well and just keep it in your mind. Logarithms. What are logarithms? What are logarithms? Come on. Logarithms. What are logarithms? I mean, you have been studying log of x of b is equal to a. Logarithms की हमें ज़रूरत कहाँ पेश आती है? Where do they help us actually? Where do they help us? Let's see. Let's see. For example, we have a situation like this. Let me choose a better color. Okay, x raised to the power a is equal to b. X raised to the power a is equal to b. Now, you have to somehow mathematically approach a. A is the point of interest. A. What will you do? What will you do? Being a mathematician, the first thing that should actually come into your mind, पहली बात आपके ज़हन में ये आनी चाहिए कि भाई मैं इसका log लूँगा और इसका log क्या आएगा? As a result क्या आएगा? Log of x, log of b to the base x is equal to what? A. A is what you were desiring. So this is simple mathematical explanation of where we can use logarithms. So x raised to the power a is equal to b. To calculate a, we use this particular rule, log of b to the base x. You see here, x is the base. X is the base. A is the exponent. This is the exponent. X is the base. So log of b to the base x gives a. Get it, fellows? Okay, let's move on. Properties of logarithms. Logarithms are very important. ये चंद properties हैं. Let me mark them for you. These are very important properties. देखें, this property you have to just remember it. You also know it. Just feel it. इसको जस्ट फील इट एंड इसको अपने अंदर जज्ब कर लें, दैट्स इट। इसको भी यही हर काम करें, इसके साथ भी यही काम करें। दिस इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, अ वेरी फंडामेंटल property, very important property of logarithms. Please make sure you know that. Please make sure you know that. Okay, let's move on to the next property. Log of x is less than x for all x. ये क्या कह रहा है यार कि log of x is less than x for all x greater than 0. For all x greater than 0, log of x is less than x. इस बात का क्या मतलब हुआ? Let me show you first for your understanding. मैं आपको log of x का ग्राफ दिखाता हूँ. Look, here it is. किधर गया? Come on, just let the Google load it for me, and I'll be showing you the graph. Okay, here it is. ये देखें, ये आपके पास log of x का ग्राफ है. A very reasonable graph Google has plotted for you. याद है मैंने आपको कहा था keep using Google. ये देखें, this is log of x. x की वैल्यू nearly 1 है तो y की वैल्यू -0.00, x की वैल्यू 1 हुई तो y की वैल्यू ये हो गई. And you see it is moving. It keeps moving like that. अब अगर मेरे पास एक ये this is log of x. This curve, ladies and gentlemen, is log of x. This curve is log of x. Base कुछ भी हो, 2 हो, 10 हो, whatever. Base 2 की significance मैं आपको within a minute समझाता हूँ, but let it be कोई भी base हो, छोड़ें आप इस बात को. Okay, ये curve है log of x की. अब मैं आपको show करता हूँ कि if we have a curve of x, वो क्या होगी? Simply a straight line like this, right? अब आप मुझे बताएं कि क्या इस behavior से, ये जो आपको ये सारा behavior नजर आ रहा है, क्या ये behavior illustrate नहीं कर रहा कि x, यानी कि ये जो x है, it is greater than, it will all, देखें ये rise करेगा, it will keep on rising. जब 2 के लिए for x greater than 0, ये देखें, this is your x mark, x greater than 0, ये this is the positive x-axis. In this axis, x is greater than 0. मैं इस पे बहुत फोकस इसलिए कर रहा हूँ because it is very important for you to understand this concept. ये आप लोगों के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. ये देखें, this is positive x-axis, x is greater than 0 over here. Now, और ये this is x, this is y, this may be y equals x. Okay, a simple straight line, a linear curve, that's it. x जैसे ही 0 से बड़ा हुआ है उसके पीछे I don't care उसका क्या बिहेवियर है. मेरा रूल ये कहता है कि log of x is always smaller than x. ये देखें, ये x राइज कर रहा है 2 पे, अगर 4 पे इसकी ये वैल्यू है तो इसकी ये वैल्यू होगी. It is rising. This is rising. This curve rises more as compared to this curve. Log की curve rises like this. Simple x की curve rises like this. So this curve y is equal to x will always be greater than, it will always, just remember it people, इसको याद रखें, will always be greater than the curve or the function log of x. That's it. Let's move back to slides. ये उसने बेचारे ने कुछ examples भी दिए हैं. Mark them, learn them, इनको सीखें और मज़ीद mathematical concepts हम अगले लेक्चर में ज़रूर सीखेंगे. Lecture 4 ends.